Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are join the first seminar international 2022. The title of the seminar for us is a production of Bio-Pellet briquettes from coconut shell waste as alternative energy for wholesale scale. And Chairman Dr. Insinyur Haji Muhammad Irizam MT, the members First Insinyur Muhammad Zaman MSc MT, Taufik Jawhari STMT, Nuriuli Riwen Setiawan, dan N. Umay Della Aprilia. The backgrounds of the process listed in this case we have searched by the first biomass. Biomass is a renewable fuel and generally comes from living things or non-fossil in which energy is stored. The second, coconut shell. The carbon contents contained in coconut shell is quite high based on the results of the ultimate analysis. And the third, biofuel briquettes, are products of combustion process at high temperature to increase the heating value, so that the result is cocoa, which is composed of carbon and is black, then form mold like a pellet. And we are continues to research purposes, and we do something have three purpose in this. The first, we can get determinant the chart characteristics of coconut shell, and coconut shell charcoal used as a biopellet. The second, we are determining the biopellet characteristics of the coconut shell produced. And the third, determining the best formulation composition for making biopellet from coconut shell. And after that, we are current benefits of our research. First, we providing alternative energy to replace fossil fuels in the form of biopellets that can be used in every life. The second, we provide a solution for the utilizers of coconut shell biomass into biopellets that can be used for usual scale fuels. And the third, as one of the contribution in the developments of science so as to add insight, especially in the manufactures of Briquettes Bio-Pellet. And we can get to the methodology of research is have to three technical. The first, material preparation, and after that we carbonization we do. And the end of the process we can printing, get some produce of biopellet. And material preparation we can like this. We can handle to uh, I mean uh, coconut shell. After that, we do to into a furnace as a process called carbonization, and so on until here. And after that, we are going to get the printing, uh, printing, and so let's get the produce of biopellet. Now, after we get the biopellet briquettes, we can do analysis product. I mean to look SNE or Standard National of Indonesia 8021, the 2014. The first we analysis water content, S content, volatile matter content, fixed carbon content, and calorific value. Now, after the research, and we are to discussion. The first, we can get fixed carbon contents, and we are looking the graphs. The fixed carbon as ordinate scale and abscess scales like temperature in Celsius degrees. Now the standard of Indonesian, the fixed carbon 15, 15 start from 1300 till 600 Celsius degrees, and we have the fixed carbon our research 50 and so on down to 14 and high again and down low agains. It doesn't matter because include the option SNE on Standard National of Indonesia 8021 2014. The second analysis we had the has content. As content like this, we are looking for the grapes, we are looking for the trees, and as contents like the ordinate scale and axis scale like temperature, like this increase from the 8 till to means 19% as content. We are state to include the SNI. And the volatile contents we can like this the standard of Indonesia 18 80 and we get 30 low of the standard of Indonesia. And water content is very important because have so many water in the biopellets. So the biopellet is not function to be fuels because you have to the burn of the the biopellets. We have the means roots have to carbon monoxide, so that is not good. And at this we get the standard of Indonesia water content 12%, but we get to a 10 5 till 11, so low the upper standard of Indonesia. And the end of the research we can get then calorie value, we can get 6,000 till 6,200 calorie per gram. Means sample is very good. Is to include the SNI 8021 2014. Now we are getting to conclusion like this. The first Bio-Pelet briquettes from coconut shell was meet the Indonesian national standard based on the SNE A021 2014 except for the results of the AS content analysis. Seconds, from the analysis process carried out, it can be seen that the temperature and the amount of adhesive used in the manufacture of briquettes biopellet can affect the quality of the biopellet produced. The higher the charring temperature with constant time, the higher the calorie value obtained. The seconds, we have from the result of the study, it can be seen that the best quality of breakaway pellet is in terms of temperature variation. That is, the cooking temperature parameter is 500 degree Celsius and 1 hour of cooking time with 10.58% moisture content, 11.03% S content, 30.01% protein content. Fixed carbon is 48.38%. In the calorie value of 6,564 caloric per gram because it is sufficient to meet the SNE 8021 and 2014 Bio-Pelet standards and several other standards. And we to have suggestion for further research on biofuel from coconut shell waste. It is necessary to consider the concentration of other types of adhesive in an effort to reduce the value of ash content that exceeds the specified maximum limit. And it should also be noted that in the carbonization process, there should be no incoming air which can cause the charcoal to turn into ash. Thank you very much.